Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about keeping your money safe. With all these digital banks popping up, it's easy to feel a little unsure about where to put your hard-earned cash. Today, we're diving into Relay Bank. Is it a safe bet for your money? Let's find out. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's get one thing straight. Relay isn't technically a bank. It's a financial technology company that partners with banks to offer its services. This means your money is actually held by a partner bank, which in Relay's case is Thread Bank. Important distinction, right? So, is your money safe with Relay? Well, the short answer is pretty darn safe. Here's why. FDIC insurance. This is like a safety net for your money. Thread Bank, Relay's partner, is FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank. So, if something goes wrong with the bank, your money is covered. Security measures. Relay takes security seriously. They use encryption to protect your data, have fraud monitoring systems in place, and encourage strong passwords. It's like they're guarding a vault, but digitally. Customer reviews. While not foolproof, checking out what other users say can give you a good idea of a company's reliability. Relay generally has positive reviews, with many customers praising its security features and customer service. But let's not get too carried away. No financial institution is completely immune to risks. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Cybersecurity. While Relay has strong security measures, no system is impenetrable. Cyber attacks are a real threat, so it's essential to be vigilant and protect your personal information. Dependency on partner bank. As we mentioned, Relay relies on Thread Bank for banking services. If there are issues with Thread Bank, it could impact Relay users. FDIC insurance limits. Remember that FDIC insurance has limits. If you have more than $250,000 with Relay, you might not be fully covered. So, is Relay Bank safe? Based on the information available, it seems like a relatively safe option. But like with any financial decision, it's crucial to do your own research and weigh the pros and cons, consider your financial situation, risk tolerance, and the specific features Relay offers. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different accounts and institutions to manage risk. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and protect your money.